Assalamualaikum and hi, let me introduce you to the case of the Klang River. First, let's look at an overview of the Klang River. The Klang River is one of the most important rivers in Peninsula Malaysia. It flows through Kuala Lumpur and the Klang Valley before reaching the Strait of Malacca. It stretches for 120 kilometers, originating from Banjaran to Tuangsa, and it has a depth of about 100 meters. This river is vital because it supports trade, the surrounding communities, and also plays an important role in the environment. Now let's talk about the challenges faced by the Klang River. For a long time, the Klang River has struggled with water contamination. The pollution comes from various sources such as industrial activities, agriculture, and improper waste disposal. Because the Klang River flows through the Klang Valley, a highly populated area with over 4 million people, it faces significant pollution. This makes it a serious environmental issue that needs to be addressed. Let's take a closer look at the trends regarding the Klang River over the years. First, between 2014 and 2019, the Department of Environment, or DOE, classified many Malaysian rivers, including the Klang River, under Water Quality Index Class 2, which is clean, and Class 3, which is slightly polluted. This was especially true for its downstream areas. During this time, the river's water quality was significantly affected by urban runoff, industrial discharge, and untreated sewage. This led to its consistent classification as Class 3, meaning the water required extensive treatment before it was safe for use. Next, the impact of the Movement Control Order, or MCO. The MCO was implemented on March 18, 2020 to curb the spread of COVID-19. While this order restricted human activities, it unexpectedly benefited the Klang River. The river began to naturally recover due to reduced pollution sources. Trash collection decreased by 50% between 2017 and 2018, further showing reduced waste entry into the river. Moreover, Class 3 readings dropped to 46%, reflecting noticeable improvement in water quality during the MCO period. Finally, the current status from 2019 to 2023. Despite these positive signs during the MCO, the Klang River has consistently remained classified as Class 3, meaning it is still moderately polluted. This highlights the need for continued effort to tackle long-term pollution and maintain the improvement observed during the MCO period. So there is a roughly graph throughout the years. To tackle these challenges, several measures have been implemented. First, let's look at the Indah Water Consortium, IWK, managed over 8,000 sewage treatment plants and pumping stations. Even during the pandemic movement control order, they worked tirelessly to maintain an efficient sewage system, reducing untreated discharge into the river. Next, we have the Department of Environment, DOE. The DOE monitors Klang River's water quality as part of Malaysia National River Water Quality Monitoring Program. Through systematic sampling, they track key pollution indicators such as biochemical oxygen demand and ammoniacal nitrogen and etc. to identify and mitigate contamination sources. Another key player is the Selangor Maritime Gateway (SMG) project launched in 2018 by the Selangor State Government. This initiative focuses on river rehabilitation. Thanks to this effort, the Klang River has improved from Class 5, very polluted, to Class 3, moderately polluted, a significant step toward a healthier ecosystem. This effort aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG), particularly SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, and SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. The goal is clear: ensure sustainable management of polluted rivers like the Klang River while managing urban runoff and industrial discharge effectively.
Polluted rivers have serious impact on the environment, human health, and the economy. Let's explore this effect and understand why clean rivers are essential. For the human health, consume contaminated fish or crops grown with polluted river water that contain harmful substances like heavy metal or industrial chemical can mean long-term costs for your health. Toxins build up in their body over time as the body struggles to eliminate them. For short-term effect, human can get food poisoning and vomiting. Then the chronic condition, human also can get Minamata disease, that is known as neurological disease, also weak immune and cancer. Polluted river also carry pathogen contaminants like bacteria, virus, and parasite from untreated sewage, agriculture runoff, and animal waste. This pathogen can infiltrate drinking water supplies, and the consumption of this polluted water cause serious health conditions like cholera, hepatitis, and typhoid fever. For the environment, polluted river harm biodiversity by harming fish, plant, or other animals that can't survive in polluted waters. Toxic chemical, heavy metals, and low oxygen levels make it difficult for them to survive. Polluted also harm the river ecosystem by destroying valuable habitat and affecting the natural balance. Next, the excess nutrients such as nitrogen or phosphorus from fertilizer in river promote the rapid growth of algae, resulting in algal blooms. These blooms block sunlight, increase water temperature and decreasing oxygen levels, resulting in dead zone where most aquatic life cannot survive in the river. Lastly, for the economy, river polluted with waste, chemical and algae blooms, ruining the beauty of the scenery that discourage tourists from visiting natural attractions like riverside park or recreational water activities like boating and fishing, resulting in a loss of profits for local businesses.
Water pollution is a critical issue and addressing it requires a multifaceted approach. Let's explore three key areas: physical, chemical and biological measures. Along with integrated strategies, firstly, physical measures. In the short term, we can organize community cleanups to remove debris, install sediment traps to prevent soil erosion and manage stormwater with rain gardens. For long-term solution, green infrastructure like permeable pavement and vegetative buffer zones can reduce runoff. Upgrading wastewater treatment facilities is also essential to handle both domestic and industrial waste effectively. Secondly, for chemical measures, short-term action includes using eco-friendly flocculant to settle solids and neutralizing agents for acidic water. Over the long terms, we need to invest in advanced water treatment technologies like reverse osmosis to enforce strict industrial discharge limits and encourage slow reverse fertilizer to prevent nutrient pollution. Finally, for biological measures, bioremediation with microbes and floating wetland can help tackle pollution in the short term. Long-term efforts should focus in restoring riverbank with native plants, using aquatic plants for phytoremediation and developing constructed wetland for natural wastewater treatment.
As time progresses and technological advancement continue to emerge, numerous innovative solutions are being developed to address various types of pollution. One significant issue of Sungai Klang is the presence of solid waste, which has prompted our group to conceptualize a practical solution inspired by existing ocean cleaning technologies. After thorough research, we have designed an innovative product specifically tailored to tackle this problem of Sungai Klang. We have named our product as a river bin, a device that will function as a mechanism to collect and gather the solid waste suspended in the water of Klang River. The design concept of the river bin takes inspiration from the structure of a netball net, incorporating its simplicity and functionality into an innovative solution for solid waste collection. The bin itself will be shaped like a large netball ring, featuring a diameter sufficient enough to accommodate a significant amount of trash. To enhance its functionality, the design includes a rotating wheel mechanism that will drive the waste by the stream of the river into the river bin. This bin will be placed diagonally across the Klang River to maximize efficiency and coverage in capturing the suspended solid waste. The design concept of the river bin takes inspiration from the structure of a netball net, incorporating its simplicity and functionality into an innovative. As you can see from the sketch, the top surface of the river bin will be constructed for a specialized material that will react to chemical pollutants, similar to the way litmus paper change color in the response to changes in pH level. This feature is crucial due to the presence of factories along the river, which are potential sources of chemical contamination. By integrating this reactive material, the river bin not only addresses the issues of solid waste, but also serves as an indicator of chemical pollution, contributing to a comprehensive approach to river cleanliness and also environmental monitoring.
To maximize the river bin efficiency, it will be strategically placed along the Klang River in area with the highest concentration of waste. The bin will be positioned diagonally at two key points across the river. The first bin will collect waste as it flows, and if any waste escape, the second bin will capture it. This setup improves the overall effectiveness of the waste collection system by providing two chances to intercept the waste. To prevent the river bins from overflowing, waste will be removed every 2 weeks. Regular inspection will also be carried out to check the bin's condition and how the top material reacts to chemical pollutant. This will be provide update on the pollutant levels in the Klang River, allowing authorities to take timely action. By combining waste collection and monitoring, the system aims to improve the river's cleanliness and health over time.